to make Asher Yatzer blessing after going to the restroom? I mean, what about the distance?
From the distance from the restroom?
Yes.
Okay, so if it does not smell, right? Let's say you can even do you're not obligated to even close the door. So if you standing with your back to the bathroom, so you can say it right then. But it's proper to stay out like a few steps. That's enough. Because usually there's nothing, no filth in the bathroom. So when Shulchan Aruch was talking about the bathroom, it was talking about the bathroom, this kind of bathroom in old times. What is the old times? When everything stays right there, right? Then you have to distance yourself. But our bathroom is not exactly that, because you flush, everything is going out, so it's a little different. But still, we try to be on a strict side, but take into consideration there is no smell. If smell, you have to distance yourself this 8 feet, which is approximately 2 meters, little less than 2 meters. Okay.
So is it possible to print the blessing Asher Yatzer 1 meter away or 2 meters away from the...
Yes. Even closer. Yeah, you just don't face the bathroom if it's behind you. So here's the bathroom. I close the door, step out 1 step, and that's it. I can say or whatever. If you close the door, there is no problem whatsoever. But I was saying even without closing the door. Go ahead, yes.
If the blessing is printed and you put this printing, I say
on the wall. That's what people do.
8 meters.
Yeah.
Is possible 8 meters? What would be the maximum distance to put the blessing?
No, you're not obligated to say when you just get out of the bathroom. You can go to whatever place you want, and you have your siddur or you have your blessing. Some people have they do not remember the blessing by heart, or for example they have kids or they have guests. Then people are not so observant, right? So you have this card, and we have a Bezrat Hashem card. Beautiful cards when it's printed in Ashkenaz on one side, on Nusach Sfard on another side. Card, and you put it on the wall. That's yeah. I brought it to shul where I go down. These cards, and they put 3 times. I mean, so somebody tried like this. I know this person is a tzaddik, so he was like a person cannot miss. If you go to the bathroom, like it's in front of you. But if you turn left, or you didn't miss you miss this one, you turn left, it's in front of you. You turn right, it's in front of you. So basically, that person, whoever did it, so he wanted to make sure that whoever uses the bathroom would like face this Asher Yatzer card. Right. So I mean that's public place, but in your home you can make this card whatever you want. There is no problem.
Okay.